Today we're making something absolutely irresistible, rich, indulgent, melt-in-your-mouth, no-bake peanut butter bars. They're quick, creamy, chocolatey, and dangerously addictive. In a bowl, add half a cup of melted butter, then half a cup plus 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. Microwave it for about 20 seconds, just until both are soft and easy to whisk together. Now whip them until they turn silky smooth, like a perfect peanut butter cloud. Next, add 3/4 cup of powdered sugar. Mix it all until it looks thick, creamy, and well combined. Now comes the texture. Add 1 heaping cup of graham cracker crumbs, or any crunchy cookie crumbs you love. We're not whipping this, just fold it gently with a spatula until the crumbs soak up all that buttery peanut goodness. Line a square dish with parchment paper. I like to crumble it a bit first so it sits nicely and doesn't slip around. Then spread your peanut butter base evenly, pressing it into the corners, smooth and flat. Pop it in the fridge while we make the chocolate topping. In a microwave-safe bowl, take 3/4 cup, almost 1 cup, of milk chocolate chips, and add half a cup of peanut butter. Microwave until smooth and glossy, then stir it together. Oh, that shine! It smells like pure heaven, chocolate and peanut butter in perfect harmony. And hey, if you've reached this part of the video, that means you're my kind of foodie. So please don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, and leave me a lovely comment below telling me which one of my desserts is your favorite or which sweet treat your kids love the most. I love reading your messages, and they truly make my day. Take your chilled base out of the fridge, pour this glossy chocolate peanut butter topping right on top. And spread it evenly with a spatula. You can even swirl it for a fun texture if you like. Now refrigerate it again for 2 to 3 hours until both layers are firm and beautifully set. Once chilled, lift it out using the parchment paper and just look at that shine. Slice it into neat little squares and admire those perfect layers. The bottom is crunchy and nutty. The top is smooth, rich, and melt-in-your-mouth chocolatey. Take 1 bite, and you'll know why I said these are heavenly. Every bite is creamy, crunchy, and full of peanut butter love. Perfect for sweet cravings, kids' treats, or just your me-time indulgence. See you in another sweet and simple recipe. Take care, and happy cooking.